Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Yep, that's right, this is Mookie. We got a great episode. We're going to get some takeout. We're going to get some Korean food right here in Calgary, Alberta. Take it back to the Tiki Bar here. And then we're going to go down to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake on beautiful Lake Okanagan. First up, we're going to make a cocktail. I'm getting this from the Savoy cocktail book by Cradock. First edition around the 1930s. And it's from the Savoy Hotel. Harry Cradock, head barman at the Savoy during the 1920s and 30s, recorded his classic collection of recipes at the Savoy. All right, and so I'm just going into the Savoy cocktail book, and we're going to do a Royal Smile cocktail. I'm just going to build this over ice. So it calls for the juice of 1/4 lemon. And then a splash of grenadine. I'm out of grenadine, so I'm just going to substitute the juice from my maraschino cherries. And then what else does it call for, Mookie? Okay, we'll do an ounce of Calvados. This is an apple-flavored brandy, I believe. And an ounce of gin. And that, my friends, is the Royal Smile cocktail from the Savoy cocktail book. Coming up next, we're gonna get some. What do we want to do next? Let's go down, do the Appies with Chappy, and then we'll get the Korean food and bring it back to the Tiki Bar. What do you say, Mookie? All right, stay tuned for that. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we have some hot crab dip as our appetizer. See here how I made it. For Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going to do baked hot crab dip. To start, we have 8 ounces of cream cheese that we let set to room temperature. And we're just going to scoosh that up a little bit. And then how much lemon?
Half a lemon.
Okay, and then we have the juice from half a lemon. A tablespoon of garlic salt.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon of garlic salt. Some black pepper. Half a teaspoon of paprika. And then I have a cup of sour cream and mayo. I have a cup of sour cream and mayo mixed. We're going to add that on in. And I have 2 cans of crab meat that we're going to save to the end. Also, the recipe called for a tablespoon of Worcestershire, but we're going to substitute some anchovy paste. Don't be scared of the anchovy paste. It's in your Caesar salad. You probably don't even know it.
Make it smooth now.
Now we're just going to make it smooth. Get all those lumps out of there. And this is my mother's secret recipe. Oh, we forgot something. It's a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. All right, so we're going to add the shredded cheddar cheese. Work that in. Okay.
Make it as smooth as possible.
Okay.
so a lot of it'll melt. It's soft anyway.
All right. Okay, and 2 cans of crab meat.
Do not use imitation.
Do not use imitation. And we're just going to fold that in. We don't want to get too rough with the crab. Okay, we're going to get this in a little casserole dish, and we're going to go in the oven for 350 for 25-ish minutes. And that's going to be our hot crab dip. Should I put it in?
I'm gonna serve it with crackers or vegetables. We don't know yet.
Okay.
Do you want to taste it? No?
Give it a little taste. Delicious.
Does it need more pepper?
No, I think it's good.
Okay. Should I turn it off?
Just do a zoom in.
Oh, zoom it. Okay. Zoom it. Okay. It's almost done.
All right, so we need a drink to go with our hot crab dip, and I'm going to do a nice white wine spritzer today. This is my mother's favorite. So I got some fruit, lots of citrus fruit, lemons, orange, limes, and then we froze these ice cubes. So we got the different fruits in the ice cube. That's a lemon and lime. And I think that's a watermelon. And this is a visually stunning drink. I think we got a cherry there. Another cherry. And then I have a frozen flamingo. Flew in all the way from Florida. So already you can tell it's just going to be a beautiful, beautiful drink. And then I got some nice Pinot Grigio. And say when.
When?
Okay. And then we're just going to top it off with Sprite, because that's how my mom likes it. And oops. And that's a white wine spritzer to go with my crab dip. Thanks for watching Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Chappy reporting from the Royalton Hicacos Resort and Spa in Veradero, Cuba. So, so make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. So we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.